John no star, you know, say Queenie don't easy. Enough people are bash Dewey and I say, oh, Dewey and a good youth and them something for this Queenie still no see it. But Queenie have a little dirty mind. You see it? It's if Dewey forget certain things in her life and I know Queenie help him forget that she not feel good about that. You see it? And you see from Dewey get him Canada visa and that cost everything. You know, say Queenie if you go back to England from when? When you see Queenie put up a video talk about playing full and all them something, they nothing no go so no. You see it? I chose she know say do we get book for show at Canada and do we go Canada. Yeah, so she just stay back at Jamaica and them something there. You see it for try for you not go Canada. You see it, so that cause every problem and that's why them not the care argue tell them one another for something and them something. That's why do we have a thump her in her face, you see it. And when she really said do we go at Canada now. Yes, yes, she start going with her phone. She should have a bad mind ways. You see it? Yeah, man. She glad for the youth now, but if I know she, I get certain things for the youth, she not appreciate that. You see it? I'm gonna rate that. You see me? Yeah, man. If you're new around here, just remember to like, comment, and share, and subscribe to the TV. Yeah, man. That cause all of the problem with Queenie and Dewey. The Canada thing. You see it? Yeah, man. So do we reach a Canada now? And I have a show book for later. You see it, and we're going to see what I go on and hear what do we say. Man go shopping and ready for the show later and them think they mash up Queen head, you see it? Should I want the car and them something but I know the car are the problem. I don't know. Yo, me forward and me gonna see what I go on and hear what I go on.
Don't know in a squad is sharp boss squad, and we have a special guest live tomorrow night and live at the general. We have a special guest for flying for the party. We're a special guest.
Connect man GP say that you don't know outside, you know. In the cool side, you know, Canada cool side man, no joke, you don't know tomorrow and the clean for pussy girl them. Just remember the date. Don't be late. You hear that?
Outside.
Yeah, man, GP.
Yeah, man. Yo, Jenna.
Canada side, you know. Job card, it make me a lock your job card, it make me turn landlord. Yellow tape, what we say? Caution. Do we done? Queenie husband. Many girl still want a slam. Yo, leave us more time here and take one. Do we done? Don't rock for your brand. And I make so much bricks at England.
Don't check.
Just is it.
Squad is sharp boss.
You don't know the thing come down. Sharp boss, you know, you don't know, you know, we're not talking about no party, you know, but a squaddy. No, you may say the man a one connection little later, man, because you don't know the bad this man. A life of a
Do it. If I'm talking now, if I'm talking to you right now, I'm not ask you. My husband attack to you right now as much as him hate me and can't stand me. He must say my wife. My wife is my wife. That don't take away my honor. When my divorce. Yeah, man, do it chilling me, do it. Mr. Do it, you're chilling me, you run past me. You're not crazy. Me not run past you, Mr. Do it, you run past me because you're a man. A man get you in the industry. Mr. Do it, sing some girl tune and some night song about your wife. Because I remember the girl I'm excited over me. Do it, make me hear you do a song. You know I do no song. We do a song to me. No. Me I only Alpha do song. Him vex me I only Alpha do song. But him do song with only Alpha. And I go say it's him to do video. Song, a pain song, you know. He might say it's him to do video with one girl. One song with one girl with a vex. No. From it's not an indecent song, I would not vex so you don't know your wife. You give me a basket for care water. When my dad Dominica Republic under construction come there and give me the rhythm. And it's a Queenie, where you going to sing for the rhythm? I say, pain, pain, life is pain. Because do a lock in the room. And my dad there go fix me teeth. Doing a follow me now, and do a style me and hide me. Lock up with people in the room and chat me. I'm not sitting here things they do me do it. Yeah. I'm a hold it like a fucking G. And when under construction come and say, Queenie, you know this pain song, I write down, I have the lyrics them. I say, send it, come let me hear it. And then me and him there Jamaica. You ever say no? Me do song with only Alpha. Stop compete with me and stand by your wife and make your wife know say, little woman, me not gonna tolerate you. Me can't manage you. In a year terms, reprimand me as you are. Don't go one side and paint this picture like me this monster.
Queenie venting about her husband again.
Business boy, you know, girl, do. Make them take care. Bring my car, come, brother. So if you're there in Canada, you take the car gone with. Friend, deadly in a blood clot. Yes, to God. It's one I expect from blood clot. Me, not even me can expect nothing from me because I walk and talk to God and talk bare fucking to God in myself. And when I walk in a party and around 50, 60 people in a party and I look around, nobody not call to me because I have some screw and some pose and I don't want nobody call to me either. I go outside, go sit down on the sidewalk at the gate like a mad man. Do you do enough? I go see if I come lick out your dirty blood clot battle you sit down about, you know what, I'm a wife, I'm afraid I'm a move your liar, dirty blood clot. So I'm sit down out at the party now. I'm not sit down on silent blood clot, mad. At 14 days now, you take my car gone. And I style blood clot, my boy, I put up Canada post, boy. Or this, them I drop down. Who the fuck for drop down over this? What? You sit down in a chair, you know, must have somebody blood clot back jacket you borrow. Them soon come by internet, come class your dirty blood clot so you borrow them jacket. Because me don't know that jacket. They alright, fair enough for there Canada, I'm a grudge. Where my car there, my husband? Me a your reason, I'm terrible, I'm disgusting. Why you want my car? I'm awful, are you afraid of me? Where word do I use? Me what the word? Abuse him. So I'm out for ice show my great pussy one of them nights. Like, I don't think my bumper blood clot nice. Wanna go on, man? Wanna think say, all gangster dance. I should have no sense. Go and fuck with gangster, man. Don't trouble gangster.